The tech job market sucks, and these are the 5 steps I'm taking to have a successful job search process. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bacola. I quit my job to take a sabbatical, and now the sabbatical is over, so I'm going to be starting my job search process. This might be one of the worst times to start a job search process because there's a lot of chaos and fear in the tech industry. You have layoffs, jobs being outsourced, the general fear of AI. So it's just a very chaotic, tough time to get a tech job, but these are a few steps that I'm taking to have a very successful job search process. The first thing I'm doing is having a positive mindset. You can be aware of all the negativity that's going on in the tech industry right now, but you don't have to internalize it, and you don't have to have a negative mindset because of all the negativity that's going on. I know this is kind of a strange thing, but I really do think mindset is everything, and having a positive mindset makes a difference. When you're too involved in the negativity, it takes so much of your time and energy, and you approach the job search from a place of desperation instead of a place of empowerment and trying to find the best fit job for you. And I'm not going to do that with this job search, even though I can see a lot of people are really feeling negative about the tough job market. I mean, it's normal, but I'm really making sure to really protect my peace and to really have a positive mindset and just make sure to stay positive and encouraged throughout the entire process. One of the ways I'm doing that is by removing anyone who has negative energy, negative vibes about the job search process, which is a lot of creators. I'm blocking them because I don't need that energy in my life. I'm also reframing what unemployment means, right? This could also be a time that you could use to also do some other fun things that you care about. Like, you have the time to do hobbies, to see your friends, like, you're young, you're healthy, it's the summer. Like, I feel like there are ways you can reframe a negative unemployment time to be actually fun. And finally, I'm leaning into the optimistic parts of my brain and really focused on a lot of positive quotes during this process. I love the quote, "Rejection is redirection. What's meant for me won't miss me." I'm really focused on positive thinking, positive phrases, and just being positive throughout this entire job search process. The second thing I'm doing during this job search process that I really haven't done in my other job search processes is really leaning on my network. In past job search processes, I would seek out referrals if I could get them, but I would also do a lot of blind applications. But for this job search, I'm really focused on trying to get referrals for almost every job I apply to. So I'm planning to reach out to my old colleagues, friends, look at my email inboxes, LinkedIn inboxes for any hiring manager information or contacts. I'm really putting a lot of time and energy into making sure I get a referral before applying for a job. What I've done, I've already started my little job search planner, and I'm already adding lists of people who I know would potentially refer me at different companies. So when I apply for the job, it's easy to just get a referral from that person. Another thing I'm going to be doing during this job search process is updating my skill set. During my sabbatical, I've taken CS classes, I've learned about mobile development, so I've kept my technical skills pretty fresh, but I haven't been trying to build skills that will lead to jobs. I've just kind of been doing things based on passion, right? But during this job search, I'm going to be spending a bit of time learning about AI. We all know that right now in the tech industry, one of the fastest growing areas is AI. This is where a lot of companies are investing their time and energy into at this moment. Generative AI and other technologies have the potential to automate work activities that can absorb 60 to 70% of an employee's time today. Obviously, I don't have time to be an AI expert during my sabbatical, but I do have time to really improve my AI skills. That's why I plan to take this Coursera Google AI Essentials course. This course is taught by AI experts at Google. They teach you not only the theoretical aspects of AI, which is how AI works and exploring foundational AI concepts, but they also teach you practical aspects of AI. For example, they teach you how to maximize your productivity with AI tools. They teach you how to use prompt engineering to get your desired results from AI. They also teach you how to use AI responsibly to mitigate against unfair biases and inaccuracies. And this isn't Coursera's only AI course. They also offer software development specific courses as well. So go ahead, if you're interested in learning AI with me during this job search process, definitely check out Google Coursera's AI course, linked down below. And I feel like really investing in these skills would make a huge difference in your job search process. Another thing I'm planning to do during this job search process to really make sure it's a successful job search process is really dedicate a lot of time to the prep process. I'm planning to dedicate like several months to making sure that I'm interview ready, and not only interview ready in terms of data structures and algorithms questions, but also system design and behavioral interview questions. This will be my 4th time prepping for software engineering developer advocate positions, like my 4th time. So I have a lot of practice, but I am giving myself a lot of time to really make sure that I've mastered certain concepts that I've been previously weak on, right? Assistant design is something that I haven't really spent a lot of time in the past on, but I do plan to spend time doing that. I have this study schedule already created so I can really be successful in my studying. Plus, I also plan to do as many mock interviews as possible through friends, mock interview platforms. So I plan to really just dedicate a lot of time to having a very successful search process. Another thing I'm doing during this prep process to have a successful prep is to also just keep a healthy and sustainable schedule. In my past interview prep processes, I've been very heads down. The only thing I care about is the interview prep process. That's not something I'm doing for this time. I'm really all about setting healthy boundaries about when I prep and how hard I prep and how long I prep for. I'm really prioritizing being consistent and sustainable over just grinding things out and burning out at the end. I'm planning to have a very balanced job search process, like, exercise, seeing friends. I really feel like a sustainable routine will be successful in the long run. These are the few steps I'm taking to really have a successful job search process. As always, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and the subscribe button. If you'd like to follow my journey, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.